My name is Grant Gibson. This is my Chapter 11 summary video for organizational behavior. Chapter 11 focuses on effective communication. Communication, as it explains, is the exchange of thoughts, processes, and ideas over channels, with the process described by the Shannon-Weaver diagram, which is source, encoder, channel, and decoder, receiver, feedback, and noise. This chapter splits communication methods into verbal, written, electronic, and nonverbal. There are various communication formats when taped. Verbal communication, like talk, that's just face-to-face or group. Written communication, which is like your reports, memos, and letters. Electronic communication with different types of electronic media. And nonverbal communication, which is like verbal hints. A flowchart showing channels and their usage. Channel richness is derived as a consideration in channel selection for each situation, like low richness to high richness. Channels are presented with regard to routine and non-routine communication requirements. They call communication blocks, filtering emotion, information overload, and perceptual skepticism. Active listening is offered as an answer, and it consists of sensing and responding. The chapter then goes into organizational communication, the downward, upward, and lateral flows of information. Pronunciation networks are contrasted with casual networks. And lastly, the chapter talks about cross-cultural communication and its significance for global organizations. Ethnocentrism is named as a big challenge. The talk emphasizes the distinction between low context and high context cultures. It also mentions that social context plays a big role in communication, complicating things still more are slang, idioms, euphemism, proverbs, verbal duels, and humor. The chapter ends with tips on how to get past cross-cultural communication barriers. Homework: don't make assumptions, listen, show encouragement, and avoid slang. Thank you.